Waqf Board Manipurda non-Muslim ani hapchilakpa sibu yaningdaba phungdoktuna Jamiat ul Ulama Hengul ISASYACO Hengul Makha NYDA Ngakhapat ISMYC Hengul Awanga Joint Committee Against the Inclusion of Non-Muslim Members in the 8th Waqf Board ka khusinaraga Kakching District manung chanalaiba Hengul dagi hauraga Segmaijin thong fawpa miyam ki khongchadama chatkre khongchad atuda Justice for Waqf Board. Waqf Board is our property. We oppose non-Muslims in Waqf Board. Save Waqf Board. Stand together against injustice in Waqf Board. No to non-Muslims inclusion in Waqf Board. Waqf Board is our responsibility. Respect religious rights of minorities. Protection our religious institutions. Haiba thaba placard sing susinaki hari.
Namni makin ke lo nam dei
Wasi mathok leba phawal nasi mani pa men nasi community masin marak tan nuksina da basil